Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcuts on this device. First, let me show you what I mean by button shortcuts. So let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the home button. And now, once the screen is active, we can perform the shortcuts. So for example, we can double press the home button to open the recent application. So the application that was opened the last time and we closed it. We can press the back button, I believe. Yes, to basically go back. So if you open something like settings and then notifications, you can press the back button to go back. And also if you press the home button once instead of like twice, you can open the Bixby, I believe, or press and hold it. Yeah, it's press and hold. So if you press and hold the button, you open the Bixby, and if you simply double press it, you open the recent app. Okay, and we can customize it. To do it, we need to open the settings. So let's swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called advanced features. Tap on it. Here, find the option called Customize Keys. Tap on it, and right here we have the list of shortcuts. And we have double press, press and hold for the home key, so for this button, and the back key we have short press. And we can change what they do basically. So if you tap on double press, you can select different actions like go to the most recent app, accessibility shortcut, alarm, Bixby, a buds controller, calendar, calculator, and stuff like that. For example, I'm gonna select maybe maps. So I'm gonna select maps. And now when I press the home button twice, it should open the maps, as you can see. Okay. Let's go back to the settings, to customize keys. And here we have the press and hold. So we can tap on it and we can select Bixby or power off menu. So if you want to have the power off menu instead of Bixby by pressing and holding the home button, you can do it like this. And then let's scroll down to the back key, and here we can tap on short press and we can select go to previous screen or show recent apps. So if you don't care about going back by pressing the back button, you can also select option to show the recent apps, and this will open the recent apps menu basically if you press it like this. And here you can see the apps that are still running in the background and they were opened not too long ago. And you can close them by swiping on them, I believe. Yes, or you can close them all if you want, or you can open them back. Okay, let me bring it back to go to previous screen, and this to open the most recent apps. And basically once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face, and that's how you customize the button shortcuts on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.